The X70 has been installed. I enlisted my plumber friend once again and another electrician. Pretty much the same issue happened with the valve over here. It was a PEX valve, so we had to get it replaced with, I think, 1/4 inch valve, and we had to get an outlet installed over here. So all in all, it was about, this time it was a little more expensive. It was like $900, $950 for everything. So they had to put a GFCI on it because of how close it was to like the water source. So it was a bit more expensive for a GFCI outlet, but it's a little bit safer. It comes with a breaker like installed on the outlet. My plumber friend said it's not something I would have struggled too hard with myself mostly. He said this one was a lot easier than the other one, the Deer Valley, to install. So we'll go a little bit more in depth on the crazy features on this one, but this one is like a super, like this is like a super mega high-tech fancy toilet. And I didn't even know that toilet tech like this exists, for real. There's like a little button down here that you can kick with your foot to lift the seat if you want. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff. We'll get into it, but dude, I'm telling you, this thing is sick. So let's get into it. Okay, 3 things I want to emphasize with this bad boy. Number 1, powerful flushing. Number 2, effortless cleanliness. Number 3, all family comfort and worry-free automation. So I guess technically there's 4, but those are the main things that they want to focus on in the toilet.